We may get distracted with our goals. We may get distracted that okay, yaar baad mein karte hain. Let me finish this episode today. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Disha Khakkar, and today we are going to have a very candid talk. Well, why am I sometimes coming up with candid talk? Because simply giving English lessons and simply giving you the new words and the grammar and the ways to learn English is not going to help when we want to have all-round development. So I thought that today we are going to have a candid talk which will help you. Somehow it is going to help you because I am going to cover few points, something like why are we lazy, why we are unproductive, and why we are not focused. So if you think, I'm sure that in back of the mind you also might be feeling that why am I so lazy, why am I so unproductive? If yes, then keep watching till the end because you're going to learn so many things from this video. So without wasting much of time, let's get started. So now I would like to dive in the topic, that is why we are lazy, why we are not productive. Well, first point which I have always understood and I have researched also, that why we are always lazy, why we don't feel like doing something, because we have unrealistic goals. We sometimes set such goals which are not possible for us and we end up doing nothing. We do not try to do, we do not get up and do that thing because, for example, today I have never exercised, for example, and today I am thinking to complete 100 planks. Is it possible to do? Not possible at all. My body is not going to help me. So in my back of the mind, I'm very sure that whatever goal I have targeted, I'm not going to achieve at all. And so I am being lazy. I'm not doing at all. So I would say that have very realistic target. Now instead of having 100 planks a day, if I'm planning that let me have 5 planks a day, then I don't think I will find it as a task, though it is difficult to do 5 planks also if you have not exercised ever, but at least you will try to complete because you have some realistic goal. Number 2 is have positive self-talk. I have been telling so many times that at least motivate yourself. There are so many beautiful people around us, our family, our friends, our relatives, they all are motivating us. We ourselves are not having positive self-talk. Every day we should have that. They are motivating us, they are boosting us to do, but ultimately we have to do it. हमने दिमाग पे ठान रखा है that I cannot do it ever, but our family is motivating us, then that motivation is not going to help you. You need to have positive self-talk every day. So I would say that please, at least once in a day, I would suggest that whenever you're getting up in the morning, pray and have some positive self-talk. This will give you immense energy and you won't believe your day is going to be amazing. So I would say that have positive talk that will boost you, that will give you energy to complete your goal which you have already set. Number 3 is avoid distraction. Well, why avoid distraction? Because sometimes we are distracted. See, we are humans and we do like watching TV. We do like watching YouTube whole day. We are humans and we are going to feel that. We may get distracted with our goals. We may get distracted that, okay, yaar baad mein karte hain. Let me finish this episode today. We may feel that. But I think as we have set our goal, as we have set our target, then finish that target first and then do whatever you want to do. Instead, what we are doing is, पहले हम लोग वेब सीरीज देख लेंगे, we will watch all the videos, all the good movies, we'll watch everything and later on we'll finish our target. So I don't think that will really make any sense. So first of all, I would say that avoid the distraction. Keep your cell phone aside and finish your target and then go with your binge watch. Before that, do not forget your goal. Next we have is very obvious, that is you will make mistake. See, we are humans. We are going to make mistake and avoid perfectionism. Don't try to be perfect. You cannot be perfect. No one can be perfect. Whatever you do, one mistake you're going to make. So I would say that instead of running behind perfectionism, I would say that please try to do whatever you know. जितना आता है उतना करो. पर हम लोग क्या करेंगे, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम परफेक्ट, आई वॉन्ट एवरीथिंग परफेक्ट. अब परफेक्शन के पीछे भागोगे, उसकी वजह से यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू डू. Right? So I think it's okay if you are making mistake, learn from your mistake and do not repeat that. So this is what I would say, that please make mistake, learn from your mistake, and this is going to help you a lot. So do not run behind being perfect. Don't do that. You cannot be perfect. Right? Because we are learning, we are humans, we are learning, and every day we are going to learn, every day we are going to make mistake. So that's fine. Do not get distracted from the goal that अरे यार ये तो मैंने mistake कर दिया, now I don't want to do it. Why? We have done so many mistakes in life, and that's fine. We are learning from that mistake, right? So that's okay. Do not run behind being perfect. Just do whatever you have decided to do. उसमें से सीखो. Instead of that, what we do is, यार ये तो नहीं हो रहा है, perfect नहीं हो रहा है, इसलिए I don't want to do. No, this will surely stop your growth. And I don't think that stopping yourself from doing anything is going to help anyway. And we want to grow, right? The other thing I would say is, stop comparing yourself. Stop comparing yourself with anyone. Well, we are having the tendency to compare ourselves with everybody. We will compare ourselves with siblings. We will compare ourselves with our parents sometimes, with our friends, with our neighbors. Don't do that. Why are you comparing yourself? You are different identity. You have your own individuality. If you are really good in cooking, then everyone cannot be good in cooking. So I don't think that comparing yourself will ever help you. Sometimes we feel inferior. कि यार इसको आता है मुझे नहीं आता. That's fine. That's really fine. जो तुम्हें आता है वो उसे नहीं आता. So I don't think that comparing is going to help you anyway. So comparison is a big no-no from my side. That never ever compare yourself. And the last thing which I would like to say is, there are the 2 points I have merged in the last point. That is, always enjoy your journey. Why are you tensed? Why you have that crease on your head? Why you are always having a complaint? Why you're sad? Enjoy your journey, whatever journey you have. Well, everybody has their own journey, everybody has their own struggle. So I don't think that we should complain. Cribbing is not going to help anyway. So enjoy your journey, wear a smile and keep going. Because see, whether you smile or whether you don't, whether you're happy or you're sad, you are going to face the situation. So I think smile करके ही face कर लो, because at least you yourself will be happy, your family will be happy because you are smiling. So I think smile avoids many situations, smile avoids many problems. Enjoy this journey, enjoy it, and have a playful life. Whatever it is, whenever you're going to achieve the target, you're going to achieve at that point only. So crying, cribbing is not going to help anyway. And the last thing I want to tell is, celebrate your achievement. Whatever you have accomplished, whatever you have earned, celebrate that. Why you're not happy with whatever you have? Why you are behind what you don't have? See, we are, as I said, that it's a journey, right? You should look behind that. Where were you? From where did you start? If you started with 1, today if you have reached almost maybe in the 10th stage, then I think you should definitely consider that. You should definitely acknowledge your 10-step journey. And celebrating doesn't mean that you actually celebrate. That means you acknowledge your journey. You be happy with whatever you earn. Could be like anything. For example, you set a goal of around you are going to read 10 pages, and instead of that you completed 11 pages, then I think it's a time to celebrate. Hey, you wanted to complete 10 pages, instead of that you finished 11. So that's a time that you should acknowledge yourself. You should understand that you are able to finish your goal anyhow. So I think that we should always acknowledge our journey. We should always remember कहाँ से start किया था यार, हम तो कुछ नहीं थे, and now we have achieved this. Then I think we should acknowledge and we should celebrate that. So I think acknowledging your whatever goal you have achieved is surely going to motivate you. Anyhow, it is going to motivate you. So when you are having some unrealistic goals, you are having any random thing you're deciding in life, then I think you are not focused, you are not having goal, you are not productive enough. So have proper focus in life, have proper realistic goals, enjoy your journey. You won't feel lethargic at that time when you have a proper journey. So if you want to be productive, if you want to avoid laziness, if you want to really achieve your goal, then I would say take baby steps, enjoy the journey. Don't try to gulp the whole ocean of goal, whatever you have. You cannot do that. And wear a smile. This will give you a lot of motivation, and do not forget to have positive self-talk. This will give you immense energy to do something. If you think that these things can help you, and if you have any other points which I think I might have forgotten or might not have considered, then please mention in the comment section. If you think this video has really added some value in your life, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.